welcome back to my YouTube channel Dangerous Events. Today I am going to tell you about the channel storm that's hit upon the Hangzhou Zhejiang. Around the 2:30 p.m. July 24, 2022, there was a sudden rainstorm in the Hangzhou Zhejiang province, China. Subsequently, the Hangzhou Meteorological Observatory has issued a yellow rainstorm warning signal. According to the observation of the local weather station, the precipitation amounted to the 60.7 mm in the 2 hours. Some residents in the Hangzhou city took videos and pictures of the strong winds and the heavy rain. The strong wind nearly knocked over a truck that was parked on the side of the road. In addition, heavy rain made visibility on the road completely unclear. The car struggled to move forward. Heavy rain also brought temperatures down to the 28 degrees Celsius. Affected by the strong convective weather, it is expected that in the next few days there will be a thunderstorm in the Hangzhou, Zhejiang, Ningzhou, and the Kuzang and other places in the Xinjiang. Thanks for watching.